Scared.
Lightning struck near the house, and it scared us so bad.
Oh no, it did? What just happened outside? Let's check outside. Oh my god, what was that sound? Oh, my god. Is that my giant that got summoned by a lightning strike? Hi there you three. You must be Azure, Alexander, and Star Jesus. But why are you three so scared?
We were sleeping at Azure's house, until the lightning struck and it scared us with a loud thunderclap.
So we decided to check as we heard a loud boom, and we saw you as a giant. I think Microsoft Sam threw a tantrum that summoned a thunderstorm that summoned you.
But we don't know who made Microsoft Sam throw a tantrum like that.
Let's go investigate to see who did that.